So Shavyfxhub, let's look at Euro USD. So I'll be diving into Euro USD exchange rates after critically looking at economic data prints and also looking at the interest rate differentials. And I've come to a logical conclusion that Euro will drop against United States dollar. Now, Euro USD, Euro is the best currency and USD is the quote currency. So it's time to short Euro USD, and I'm going to give my points why I'm shorting Euro USD. So we look at it from a critical perspective on a daily time frame. After price creating series of high, and we have seen price lost momentum owing to DXY making a bullish reversal price action and to return close the week above 100. That was um, that was anticipated. That was anticipated, and it feels good. After the reversal, we have seen EU, AU, GU, UJ, UCAD, and NZD USD all making a dramatic reversal from that level. So the Euro USD interest rate differential is shaped by divergent central bank policies, and they both have different heads. The Christian Lagarde and the other one is Sergio Powell. From side of America, America is keeping rates steady. And while we have seen a Eurozone cut rate by 25% in March, and I think this divergence will tilt towards United States being the winner. And henceforth, we are going to see drop in exchange rate. Euro USD will exchange lower. The last time they went below parity, and it took a while with a strong monetary intervention from Christian Lagarde to see the euro return back. And I'm seeing a further slide. From structural perspective, you will see that Euro USD we have got here in 2023 price create here supply roof, and we've got another supply roof in 2023, and we've got another one, and we had a breakout of that structure in the month of April, and the price played on broken supply roof as a demand floor, and it feels good to see that the previous week we had that structure broken. Not really the previous week per se. On Thursday, we had that structure broken after the dollar index hit a stronger critical support area, and we've seen some buyback. And as the tariff continues to escalate, a genuine resolution is being reached between maybe China and US anytime soon. And as soon as that happens and the geopolitical tensions cools off, we could potentially be seeing some capital inflow into the United States. And to cut it short, the interest rate differential favors United States. And also want to commend Sergio Powell for the cautious wait and hold approach, and they want to see what happens. It's as economic data unfold, then economic formulations are done. The most important thing is to keep inflation within inflation mandate, which is 2%, and they're keeping rate steady, and they are not giving any signal at the moment on a potential rate cut. So that means the rhetorics remain hawkish, while from the side of the ECB, they remain dovish. So such dovish rhetorics from European Monetary Governing Board is going to set a clear reversal for Euro US. And we have seen that evident on the chart. If you look at the chart critically, you will see that Euro has taken a dramatic U-turn. So it is what it is. And I want to keep the chart as simple as possible. I want to keep it as simple as possible. So this is what we got for Euro, and very nice pair moving in a very good direction. So let's see if we use our power strategy and see where it gets us. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know you want to buy back Euro. If you're looking at buying Euro, be patient, allow price to return to this level. So as the market opens Sydney time, you are going to sell, you are going to short Euro USD. Okay? You're going to short Euro USD. And if we have one more touch into this structure, is to return price into the zone. Here you have a potential buy again. Now, let me state this for free. We had a breakout structure after price creating a roof, a psychological ascending roof, and ascending trend line also happens to be roof, where we had series of supply. You can see that structure is evident from 2023, and we played around 2024, and in 2025 we had a breakout of the structure. We retested and ultimately broke on Thursday, and on Friday, of course, we retested that structure after we have seen that the dollar has rebound. So that dollar index rebound, it also brought in confidence, and we are seeing capital inflow, coming in from the Eurozone back into the United States. And it's not just only happening that, it's due to the Fed monetary policy holding rate steady at 4.25 into 4.5. And you can see that the interest rate differential, of course, favors the USD. So we are going to see capital inflow back into the United States. So what it means is that carry on cash, they are going to take money from the Eurozone and invest in a high yielding interest rate economy, which is the United States. And the Fed is very cautious at the moment, the wait and see approach. And it's more like a hawkish rhetorics, and we're going to see more cash inflow. So what that means is that the euro will begin to go down. So you now begin to short euro. And we look at it from technical perspective, you'll see that here I have a structure. Let me see what the structure, let me see what's given. Let me see the vibe of the structure. Let me see it. The daily time frame. Let me see what it gets. Let's see. So let's see if we got a structure at this level. And so we can see what we hold. Of course, it's going to take a while for this trend to be activated. It's going to take a while, but it's also a valid structure. The structure is valid this way. This is a valid structure. Do we need it now? No, we don't need it. So we are looking at a potential buy opportunity for EU, which is going to be at this level. And at the moment, I think you're going to short as the market opens. You're going to short EU. EU is going to be short. So you can see that price action from there. We have here in 2020 the supply roof, breakout of structure, and price returns here as demand, break of a demand floor, price returns here as supply, and we return back. And you have seen that EU is going down. EU is going down. So as the week opens, we continue to short it and take reasonable profit on that. And I see a potential buyback at this level. Then I see another buyback based on structure, which we also need to look at fundamentals of the unfold and see if there are supporting economic data to keep a shorting. Of course, if there is none, then we flip the script. So we'll continue to look at it, applying the first strategy, cautious wait and see. So that's what we have for Euro USD. So Euro USD short as the market opens. And let's look at other expert advisors to see if we have an accompanying um, critical information pointing to areas of demand and areas of supply. If there is none, we quickly move on to something more important. So we're going to look at a multiple time frame to see if we have a clue. Yes, here is a there is a confirmation at this level for a buy. There's a buy confirmation at this level on daily. Euro USD is bullish, is bearish. Euro USD is bearish on 4 hours, bearish on 2 hours, bearish on 1 hour. Like I told you, as the market open, look for a sell opportunity. Don't try to buy it. So allow those that will buy the market, then you short the market. That's not your duty to buy it. Allow whoever will buy it, let them buy it, then you sell the market. Just look for only sell opportunity for Euro USD. Only sell opportunity, and you will be 100% right. So it's bearish on 4 hours, bearish on 3 hours, bearish on 2 hours, bearish on 1 hour, and may slightly try to be bullish on daily, but it's still neutral on daily. It's neutral on daily, and we're already having EMA and SMA crosses, and we have two buy floors. So we are going to give Euro two buy attempts. One first attempt at this level, and the next attempt is going to be here. And it's also evident from our expert advisors, which also seeing the indicators, the SMA giving me this floor as a potential buy, where I expect Euro to come in again to show resilience. So if Euro does not show resilience at this level, and they don't show resilience at this level, then Euro will have a long way to drop. So it's expected to show resilience at that level.